Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
All right, even though Isaac has been long gone in terms of the tropical stormness that it had, it's still a remnant low, meaning that it is still producing some pretty nasty weather across now basically the mid-south and in through the mid-Atlantic all the way down and towards the deep south. Fortunately, deep south just can't catch much of a break right now. But let's go out to the map and show you what we've got so far, show you some of the dynamics that are still working with this. So the low itself is sort of just north of Nashville, maybe in the south-central Kentucky, still bringing up all that warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico, and you can see on that wraparound it's slight, but it's still there. Showers are starting to move north and northwest, and then again they're kind of firing south and southeast as you go in towards central Alabama, and that's where the real trouble spot is so far tonight. Secondly, we've got another tropical storm to contend with. This is Tropical Storm Leslie. Max winds right now at around 60 miles an hour. Central pressure is just under 1,000 millibars, but it is really slow moving, only about 3 miles an hour to the north and northwest. Right now, it is forecast to become a hurricane probably within the next 24 hours or so and basically head dead north up towards Bermuda, which is where the push pin is here. Now, some of the computer models a little later on into the forecast week by about Friday and Saturday try to push it up in towards possibly New York City or maybe up in towards New England. A couple of the long-term or the long-range models are fairly consistent with that, so we'll have to watch to see where its track goes as well. Nothing happening out here in the northwest. It's been pretty quiet for us today. Nice sunny afternoon. Everybody now slowly falling into the upper 70s and low 80s down to Roseburg and low 70s as you get out to La Pine. So we'll stay clear, cool tonight. Temperature is going to start rising about midweek, and in fact, we could see more of a summertime heat to the school start, especially Wednesday and Thursday. And then as we head into the latter half of the weekend, maybe showers pushing back in too. So overnight tonight, we'll keep it clear with a little bit of early patchy fog just before sunrise in the valley. But otherwise, high pressure aloft continues to take the jet stream and push it well to the north of us. And there's just not much happening back offshore. And that's going to keep a very quiet forecast for us. Now, as that jet stream pushes northward, it allows for the warm air from the desert southwest and California to push northward as well into the state of Oregon. And that's when we generally see our warmest temperatures, which we will about Wednesday and Thursday. You can see on the precision cast, not much happening out there. A little bit of coastal fog in the morning, and they'll be back to sunny skies by the afternoon. Speaking of which, the coast looking good. Sunny skies tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures around mid-60s. It'll be breezy, as it generally is this time of year. Then as we get into the end of the 7-day period, much stronger trough and area low pressure slide on in Sunday and Monday. Could bring a certainly not only a cooler forecast, but some chances for showers as well. In the Umpqua, staying sunny and warm tomorrow in the mid-80s, then flirting with 90 on Wednesday before we slowly back off into the low 80s by Saturday and low 70s as we get in towards Monday's forecast. Cascade, sunny and warm, 14,000 feet, the freezing level in the mid-70s. We'll see low 80s, that is. And Bend and Redmond, pretty much a sunny 7-day forecast. Say that 2 times fast. Then here in the valley, nice afternoon tomorrow. Temperatures around 82 to 84. A little toasty on Wednesday and Thursday, but then falling back nicely just in time for the Ducks and Beeves on Saturday.
And for kids to go back to school, layers, have a sweater on in the morning, it looks like, and then you're not going to want to keep that on when it's 85 degrees.
Absolutely. Put that sucker in the backpack by the afternoon because it will be warm.
All right. Thanks, Justin.
Yeah.